these are from 2025 because these were actually leftovers from CVS. CVS decided to send it to this pharmacy, and yeah.